Hello, thanks for stopping by and taking a look at my video introduction. My name is Paul Bagan, and I specialize in working with individuals, with families, and with small business and small business owners. My work with them consists of helping them to grow their assets, to protect their assets, to put them in a better position as they move towards retirement so that they feel confident and they know they're not going to run out of money before they die. And then on the business end of things, I work with business owners to help protect their interests, help them with their insurance needs, their business insurance needs, and also to help them to put their employees in better positions and to have better futures as well. Now, how do I like to work with individuals? Well, let's first look at how do you like to work with individuals? If you're the type of person who just really likes to get online, find your information, and then see if you can just sign up and get what you want, kind of like what we call the Amazon way, that's not me. I do not conduct business in that manner. I conduct business as an insurance professional. So if you're wanting to work with a person in partnership who will actively listen to your needs, work to understand what you want to achieve, and who can put you in a better future position, then I'm the individual that you would appreciate working with. I'm suggesting that we have a conversation. And in that conversation, let's talk about what you already have done in the area of planning, where your insurance stands, where your investments stand. I don't want to take you away from what you already have. I want to offer you an evaluation. As an insurance professional, I will take the time, my own time, at no cost to you, to look at your plan, what you've been doing. Now, after reviewing it, I'm going to be in a great position too, and sometimes I do say to people, you have done an excellent job of planning. There is absolutely nothing more that you need to do. Now, another thing that may happen is as I look over what you've planned for and what your expectations are in that planning, if I see some areas of vulnerability where you could be losing money or be underinsured or even overinsured, I will point that out to you. And my promise to you is to present you with some options to consider that can minimize your risk. If what I'm suggesting in the way of options sounds good to you, then we can move forward in partnership and begin to implement some of those suggestions. And then finally, it may be that you just don't want to do anything at all after we've talked. And that's okay by me as well. My objective is to develop relationships with my clients, to have them develop a trust in me, and to feel confident that I can be a go-to person to them. And I'm not always about business. I want to take an interest in my clients in other ways as well, so that we can have a very strong working relationship. If getting together and talking sounds good to you, well then Pick up your phone. Give me a call. 209-910-1411. If my voicemail picks up, please leave me a voicemail message. I promise I will return your call. If it's more convenient for you, send me an email. My email is jpbagan, B-A-G-A-N, at F like Frank, T like Tom, .newyorklife.com. I look forward to talking to you, and I look forward to being a partner of yours in planning for your future and your success. Paul Bagan, New York Life. Have a wonderful day.